Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last 4 videos, we have learned how we can design such kind of QR code generator and how we can create QR code, how we can scan from a file, how we can scan by webcam. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can convert this single component into multiple components like model programming approach we do in industry. So how we can convert this, that we are going to learn. But before this, because this webcam is coming, so I want to disable this webcam right now because as an extra camera is coming. So here for that I am just making this line as a environment variable. I want to use environment, that means I don't want to use this camera, so it will disable now by default. So when I will use, then I will use it, but no need because I have given you demo in last video also how you can use webcam. In this video I am going to just convert this all code into a modular programming approach, mean multiple module I want to create. So for that, what I do, I say here the component name. First component I say QR code generate .jsx. First component array fce, this component is ready. Now second component I want to use QR code display .jsx. Then third one I want to use QR code file scan .jsx. Then next one I want to use QR code webcam .jsx. Now I just do dummy coding right now. I say rafce, for that save this, again here rafce, then save this, again rafce, then save this. All are ready. So one by one we convert. So this is the complete code. So first of all I want QR code generate, that means I want to copy all the code that is mentioned here, and that is using to display all the information regarding the generate button. The generate button is also there like this. So this much of code I want to shift. So I say cut here and I say select this and paste here, save this. You see, so I have this, so I make this bracket also, and this one also, this one also, save this. Now we have to remove this error. Why this error is coming? So I need to put under one div tag, all these things I need to put under one div tag. So I say div and I just cut this and I close this div here, save this. So all done. Now I need to copy these variable also from here, text variable that I want to cut. So I cut it and I paste it here. Now I use it. So here I say use state like this. Then I need this function also because for generating QR code. So no need to do this because I need to pass variable also. So what I do, I just put it here, cut like this, I put it here because I need to pass in separate also. Now what I do, I just call this component here. After this I call this component QR code generator like this and like this, and this component here I want to use this value here, and this much of function I want to call from this function. So what I do, I just pass property. I say first property is text, so I pass this property here, text like this. Then I need this function also that I want to call. So what I do, I just cut this code and here I create a text box is there. So what I do, I have a text box, so I will show here. This text box will change some value. This value I want to update from that change. So I create one function and I say const and I say qr code gen equal to, and in this function I want to write this code. This code will update the value and here I need e, so that e I need here, that e I need here, and with the help of this e then I will update this value. So this value we can pass also from there, so we can have a value here and that value we will do here, and I say value we are passing here and I remove all these things. I remove this one also. So set text will work with this value. So that value I have to get from this. So I just QR code gen, so I pass one more property here and I pass here QR code gen equal to, and here I pass the function QR code gen like this. This function I want to pass here, and what I do, I create here property props, and with the help of props I pass here value. I say props dot text and here I pass like this, and I say e, I say props dot QR code gen, and here I pass e dot target dot value that I want to pass from here. You see, now one thing I want to pass, that I need to pass the reference of this method QR code generator that will generate the result. So what I do for that, I just pass this also. So I say QR code, that is generate QR code. So I copy this and I just pass here like this, and I say this function I want to pass here. Save this. So this function is also passed. Now I need to call this function whenever we click here. So I save props dot this, I save this, and now no need to use this because it is not required here. Save this. Now if we see that already we have this, and I try to create one QR code from this, you see images coming. So like that this is also working, but now it is in separate. You see, this is in separate, this is component in separate, this particular area, this one is in separate component. Now I need to make separate this. So how we can do this? So one is done. Now we need to go down, and here we have a second row. In this row what I have 3 columns. So first column is this, and this column is close here. So I select this, and here I cut this all, and I say QR code display. So here in QR code display, I select and paste. Save this. Okay. So in this QR code, I done this. Now one thing I required, that I have to call it first here. So in place of I need to call it here. So in place of this, I need to call this component. I say QR code display like this, and I need to pass here what? I need to pass here the image value that I am displaying here. This image value I want to pass here. So for that, I say that this is image QR that I want to pass. Save this, and that will be passed by this. Here I say image QR equal to image QR. Like that, I save this. You see, one more component is ready. I refresh it. Once again, I type something here and create generate, and data is coming. That means it is also working. Now I have to convert this into separate component. So second one, I just minimize it and I select all, then maximize, cut this. So second is also cut, file scan, and here I display this file scan. Save this. The problem is we require QR code reader. So go there and I have to cut it from here. No need here, and I have to use here. Save this. One thing is gone. Now I need I have to import here also, because I need here also. Now I need reference also, I need this variable also. So I cut it and I paste all these things after this. So save this. So I have to scan use ref also. So I say it is use ref like this, and I say use state also like this. Save this. So now it is done. Now what I need these two function, file scan and file error, and I need open dialog also. So this is open dialog function. So here I say open dialog is there, so I cut this and I paste this here, paste it here, done. Now I need two function, file error and file scan. So these two function I need, I cut it and paste here. So that is also paste. Save this, and I think error is gone. Go here. So I need to save this also. So use ref, we doesn't require this, so I remove this. Save this, and it is also working. No, we have a one problem because I am not importing, I think this. So file scan I have to import. So I have to import here. So I say QR code file scan like this. Save this, done. So you see it is coming. Once again we try to test it. Yeah, everything is fine. Now webcam is remaining, last one. So I minimize it also, and now I copy this, maximize it, cut it, and I just go to webcam, and here I just paste it, save it. Now I need some reference also. So first of all I need this, so I cut this time and paste here. First thing. Second thing, I need this one also, so I cut this and I paste it here. Now I need to cut these two also, cut this, and I need to paste it here, save here. Use state I need to import, so I say use state, save this. Now I need to import this also. So here I say QR code, and I say webcam, QR code webcam, and I just import this also, save this. Done, everything is okay. Now you see again we have the same, and now I enable webcam also, and I try to show you that webcam is also working. So I say here user mode, save this, and you see that here we will have the camera, and if I try to scan it from my mobile phone as I did in last video also, you see that it is scanned automatically, that is the data. So it is also working. So you see that how we just convert this. So I say environment, disable this. Now you see that we have converted, we have created this much of component, 1 2 3 4. So 4 component we have used, and now this much of small code we have, and we have divided this code in multiple module by using a components. Right now we have 1 component, then 2 component, then 3, then 4, and all are working perfectly as it working previously in single component. So like that we can convert it in a professional applications, and we can make it in modules, and we can take approach of modular programming also in our application. So like this I completed successfully all the videos, 5 videos on this QR code generator. So how to design this layout, how to generate QR code, and how to scan QR code from image, how to scan QR code from webcam, and how to optimize this QR code by using components, and to follow the modular programming approach. So that's all in this video. I think you learn so much of thing from these 5 videos. If you learn something from these 5 videos, and you like my effort to teach you all these coding in React, so please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.